हम लोग आगे दूसरे टाइप ऑफ द सेट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, इक्विवेलेंट। इफ टू सेट्स हैव इक्वल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट देन दे आर नोन एज इक्विवेलेंट सेट। एग्जाम्पल, set V has 1 2 3 4 5 element, set Q has 1 2 3 4 5 element. Since their cardinal number of V is equal to cardinal number of Q, hence set V and set Q are equivalent sets. Equal sets. If two sets have equal number of identical elements, then they are known as equal sets. Suppose set A contain element 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Set B contain element A square, 2 का square, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. If we are going to solve this one, it will give you 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Since both of them have same number of identical elements, hence they are equal. That means all equal sets are equivalent, but all equivalent sets not necessarily equal. Then overlapping set. When two sets have some element as common, then they are known as overlapping set. Suppose set A 1 2 3 4 5 6, set B has element 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then both of them have common element 5 6 is there and again 5 6 is here. So they are overlapping. Disjoint set. When two sets have no element as common, then they are known as disjoint set. Suppose a set containing element 1 2 3 4 5, set B 7 8 9 10. Both the set have no element as common, so they are disjoint. Then subsets. Suppose there are two sets A and B. Every element of set A is an element of set B, or every element of set A contained in set B, then set A is called subset of B. मतलब क्या हुआ, सेट ए का जितना भी एलिमेंट है वो सब के सब अगर बी में हैं तो हम लोग सेट ए को बी का सबसेट बोलते हैं. इफ ए इज सबसेट ऑफ बी, then we can write a subset of B. This is the symbol of subset, which is read as, जिसको हम पढ़ते हैं A is a subset of B और A is contained in B. Thus A is a subset of B if all element of set A implies that all elements also belong to set B. Superset. Suppose there are two sets A and B. Every element of set A is an element of set B. Then B is called superset of A. ये दोनों मिलता जुलता है. यहाँ पे A B का सबसेट है तो B is superset of A. It is written as B is a superset. This is the symbol of superset. Then improper subset. An improper subset is subset containing every element of the original. अगर A और B में दो A अगर B का सबसेट है तो A के B के सारे एलिमेंट अगर A में हैं तो दोनों को या A को हम B का इम्प्रॉपर सबसेट बोलेंगे. प्रॉपर सबसेट, अगर एक भी सबसेट में एक भी एलिमेंट ओरिजिनल सेट से कम है, एक भी एलिमेंट ज़्यादा भी कम हो सकता है, तो उसे हम लोग प्रॉपर सबसेट बोलते हैं. ए प्रॉपर सबसेट कंटेन्स सम बट नॉट ऑल ऑफ द एलिमेंट ऑफ द ओरिजिनल सेट. द सेट एम्प्टी सेट इज द प्रॉपर सबसेट ऑफ ए गिवन सेट. ये याद रखने का है कि एम्प्टी सेट सभी का एक प्रॉपर सेट होता है. Thus, if A is a proper subset of B, then there exists an element x belongs to b such that that element does not belong to a, यहाँ पे does not belong to होगा। अगले वीडियो में हम कुछ नए टाइप ऑफ सेट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे।